If you've ever felt guilty for having too many interests, listen carefully. You're not distracted. You're mismanaged. People love saying, just focus on one thing. So you try. You cut off your other passions. You force yourself into one lane. And somehow, you still feel drained. Because the problem was never your curiosity. It was your energy. Your brain doesn't operate at the same intensity all day. Some hours you're sharp, creative, focused. Other hours you're slow, foggy, running on fumes. But instead of respecting that rhythm, you fight it. You try to create when you're exhausted. You try to learn when your focus is gone. And then, you call it burnout. It's not burnout. It's bad allocation. Here's the shift. Stop organizing your life by priority. Start organizing it by energy. High energy. Do the work that requires thinking, creating, building. Medium energy. Practice, refine, improve. Low energy. Consume. Study lightly. Absorb. Match the task to your state. Second, stop touching everything every day. Depth builds momentum. Scattering kills it. Choose 1 or 2 focuses per week. Go deep enough to feel friction. Go deep enough to feel progress. When you rotate weekly instead of daily, you stay fresh without resetting to 0. And here's what nobody tells you. Your interests are not competing. They compound, skills transfer, creativity overlaps, perspective expands. Nothing is wasted. The real mistake? Thinking more hours means more growth. It doesn't. 2 intentional hours beat 8 distracted ones. You don't need to shrink your interests. You need to structure them. Work with your brain, not against it. That's the difference between being overwhelmed and being unstoppable. If this clicked for you, comment, locked in.